SEO Revolution. Video number 11. SEO tips for dominating local search. Local competition is heating up, and if you're not on top of your rankings, you can bet your competitors will be. Here are 5 solid local SEO tactics you can use this year to help your business rank higher for local search terms. Number 1. Title and meta description tags still matter. Title and meta description tags are HTML elements that you can customize to reflect the content of your web page. The text of your title and description tags is displayed in search results. Think of this text as a mini ad that you need to carefully craft. Number 2. Online directories and citations. It's important that you get your business listed correctly and consistently on top online business directories like Yelp, Merchant Circle, City Search, and others. You will also want to seek out respectable local directories to get your business listed on. Number 3. Google My Business. Claim and optimize. It's very important for local businesses to claim their Google My Business and Bing Places for Business page. It's free and can get you incredible exposure if you're optimized enough to show up in Google's local 3-pack. To claim your Google My Business page, visit google.com/business. There's a verification process you'll need to go through, where Google will send a postcard with a pin to your business's physical location. Number 4. Online reviews matter. There are several reputation marketing software and tool options you can use to track, manage, and proactively try to get reviews. Here are some to check out. Reputation Loop, get 5 stars. Trustpilot, Vendesta. Number 5. Use local structured data markup. Google wants to use structured data markup because it helps their spiders better determine what your site content is about. Google even offers a structured data testing tool so you can check to see if your markup is properly implemented. If the thought of coding freaks you out, you can also use Google's data highlighter to mark up content within your mouse. This is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to local SEO. Implementing the 5 local search tactics above will give you a head start on your competition. Get started today. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video lesson.